Hello everyone, myself MS Bahudimal, Assistant Professor AADS Department, Subject Code CRA 332, Subject Title Drone Technologies, Unit-3, Topic Name Flight Mode, and another one is Operate a Small Drone in a Controlled Environment. Flight Mode. Drone offer a variety of flight modes to cater to different skill level and operational needs. Here are some common flight modes. GPS mode utilizes GPS for stable hovering or navigation. It helps maintain position and altitude, making it ideal for beginners. Then altitude hold mode. Keep the drone at a constant altitude, allowing the pilot to focus on directional control. Manual mode offer full control over the drone without any stabilization, suitable for experienced pilot who want to perform advanced maneuver. Headless mode simplifies control by allowing the pilot to maneuver the drone relative to their own position regardless of the drone's orientation. Follow me mode. The drone autonomously follow the pilot using GPS or visual tracking, great for capturing action shot. Waypoint navigation allows the pilot to set predefined GPS waypoint for the drone to follow autonomously. Return to home automatically returns the drone to its takeoff point if the battery is low or if it loses connection. Sport mode increases speed and responsiveness, often used for racing and angle maneuvers. Hope mode, a stabilized mode for capturing smooth cinematic shoot, then particularly useful for filming. Orbit mode, the drone circles around a specific point while maintaining a set distance, ideal for dynamic shot. Then operate a small drone in a controlled environment. First one, choose the right location. Indoor space, use a large sim warehouse or open area free of obstacles. Outdoor space, find a clear open area away from people, building and tree like a park, sports field. Check the weather, ensure that wind speed or low and visibility is good if flying outdoor. Calm conditions are best for beginners. Pre-flight checklist. Battery check, ensure both the drone and controller batteries are fully charged. Calibration, calibrate the drone's compass and sensor according to the maneuver's instructions. Firmware updates, check for any firmware updates for drone and controller. Familiarize yourself with the controls. Controls altitude, rotates the drone left or right. Pitch, tilt the drone forward or backward. Roll, tilt the drone left or right. Take off, practice basic maneuvers. Hovering, maintain a stable hover at a set altitude. Forward, backward, right. Move the drone forward and backward while maintaining altitude. Sideward, practicing move left and right. Turning, rotate the drone in place using your controls. Then advanced maneuvers, emergency procedures, post-flight and follow regulations are included.